are you? I think everybody is fine and safe at home, and you are very happy to see that I'm teaching at school in your classroom and teaching, and so you will be more excited to learn more things. Now, in the previous girls, the copies whatever you have sent is incomplete. Girls, so many girls have not completed the work properly. The question answer what I have given, the one word which I have given to you was not completed. So girls, next time whenever the PDF has been given to you, girls, go through the video carefully, go through the PDF carefully, and please try to complete it, because the PDFs are for you. Okay, the notes are given to you to read, to learn. Okay, so it's not for my benefit, it's for your benefit. Okay girls, so girls, please, whatever PDF files has been sent to you, girls, please go through this PDF files and try to write all the things. Okay, so now your copies has been returned to you, so try to complete your pending work, and whatever PDF files has been sent earlier, that also you complete in your fair copy. Okay, so whatever assignments has been given, whatever notes has been given to you, girls, please go through this and please try to complete it. Now, come back to our chapter. I was teaching you the 5th chapter, that is app development. Okay, I told you about what is app, how to build an app, what are the benefits of apps. All these things I have explained you in your previous video. Okay, so today I will tell you that what are the types of app we use. There are different types of apps which we use generally when we are working. Okay, they have different categories. The apps have different categories. Okay, like each and every people divided in different categories, same apps are also divided into different categories. ऐप्स को भी हम डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज, डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करके रखते हैं कि कौन सा ऐप किस तरह से काम करता है, हाउ इट वर्क्स. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट द ऐप्स आर बीन डिवाइडेड. द फर्स्ट इज वेब ऐप. कुछ ऐप जैसे फॉर सम ऐप्स विच आर डाउनलोडेड थ्रू द वेब ब्राउजर्स. ओके, दे आर नॉट downloaded from other apps, they are just downloaded, they are saved there and they are installed directly from the webs. Okay, so they are called web browser. We have to go to that particular site, हमको उस particular site पे जाना पड़ता है and then we download that app. Okay, next is native app. Native app which has only one platform or device, like Google Play. In Google Play, when you go to the Google Play, there are so many apps to download. There are games app also, there are entertainment apps also, education apps also, online shopping apps also. So many apps in one platform. Okay, so native app means which apps has a particular platform to download. कुछ ऐप्स ऐसे होते हैं कि सिर्फ वेब से ही काम करते हैं, और कुछ ऐप्स ऐसे होते हैं जो इसका एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म होता है, उस पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म से ही वो उस ऐप से डाउनलोड हम कर सकते हैं, उसके बाद उसको हम अदर प्रोसीड्यूर उसका कर सकते हैं. व्हेनेवर वी डाउनलोड एनी ऐप, इट आस्क्स फॉर द रजिस्ट्रेशन. ओके, सो इट मीन्स इट इज़ एन ऑथराइज्ड ऐप. Which app doesn't ask for a registration, it means it is not an authorized app. Okay, clear? Next is hybrid apps. It is a combination between the web app and the native app. Means it is from the browser also and it has a particular platform also. Okay, so means as you search in the web, it will ask for the platform. Okay, and you go to that particular platform and you download that app. So it is both the combination of web app and the native app. Okay, clear? Next is the killer app. Killer app is that like in which you earn money, you gain money. आप जीतते हो, जिसमें कोई भी गेम होता है जैसे लूडो किंग, आप उसको खेलते हो तो उसमें पैसे जीतते हो आप. Okay, so many apps are there which are used for winning the money prize. Okay, so these are the killer apps which use online earning amounts. Okay, so these are the killer apps. So which was a web app which we use for the web browsers to download the apps. Next is the native app which has a particular platform to download the apps. Hybrid is the combination between the web app and the native app, and the killer apps are those apps which use for earning the money. So yeah, nowadays so many apps are there for earning the money. ओके हम कोई भी ऐप आजकल देखते हैं, सब में कुछ ना कुछ हमें ऐसे ही बोलते रहते हैं कि यू डू दिस स्टेप्स एंड यू विल अर्न दिस टाइप ऑफ मनी, दिस अमाउंट, यू विल गेट द अमाउंट. सो nowadays it is more habituated. It means it is very familiar now. It is now very familiar that killers apps are more used than these apps. Yes, killer apps are more used than other apps because everybody wants to earn money and they want to search those sources to earn the money. So nowadays there are some apps which help you to earn the money. ओके कुछ ऐप्स ऐसे हैं आजकल, बहुत सारे ऐप्स अभी इन्वेंट हो चुके हैं, बहुत सारे ऐप लॉन्च हो चुके हैं. अब अपने वेबसाइट में खोजिएगा, अपने गूगल स्टोर में जाइएगा तो आपको कई ऐसे ऐप्स मिलेंगे जिसमें आप अब मनी को अर्न कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट कम्स टू द लेगेसी ऐप. लेगेसी ऐप्स आर दोज ऐप्स विच आर आउटडेटेड. ऐसे ऐप्स जो अब यूज़ में नहीं आते हैं फिर भी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, ठीक है, वेब वर्ल्ड में अभी भी एग्जिस्ट कर सके हैं. हाँ वो है, लेकिन वो आउटडेटेड हो चुके हैं, उसको जल्दी कोई यूज़ नहीं करता है. फॉर द एग्जाम्पल बेडमेट, ये ऐसा ऐप है जिसमें हम किसी भी ऑडियो वीडियो को, यूट्यूब वीडियो को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं ट्रांसफ़र करके ऑडियो. ये बहुत पुराना ऐप था जो अब एग्जिट नहीं करता है, लेकिन ये अभी भी है. अगर आप इसको सर्च करना चाहें तो सर्च होता है, लेकिन कभी कभी ये डाउनलोड नहीं होता है क्योंकि ये आउटडेटेड हो चुका है, आउट ऑफ स्टॉक, आउट ऑफ मार्केट हो चुका है. दैट्स वाई इट डजंट एग्जिस्ट व्हेन वी डाउनलोड इट, बट इट एग्जिस्ट इन द वेब वर्ल्ड. ये एग्जिस्ट तो करता है, लेकिन ये आउटडेटेड के कारण इंस्टॉलेशन में प्रॉब्लम आती है इसमें. ठीक है, ये ऐप है लेकिन आउटडेटेड है, इसके कारण इसमें इंस्टॉलेशन में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. ठीक है, सो वी हैव 5 apps which are used for downloading the apps in different categories. डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज में हम इस ऐप्स को यूज़ करते हैं डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस को यूज़ करने के लिए. ठीक है, वेब, नेटिव, हाइब्रिड, किलर एंड लेगेसी. नेक्स्ट कम्स द यूज़ ऑफ कॉमन ऐप्स, मतलब ऐसे ऐप्स जो हम रेगुलर यूज़ कर रहे हैं, रेगुलरली हम जो ऐप्स हमेशा यूज़ कर रहे हैं. ऐप्स के हम नाम अभी हम देखते हैं. जैसे फर्स्ट है आपका very common app. It is very common app nowadays. Everybody, now we are doing the online classes, we are using the WhatsApp to send you the videos, the PDFs. You have the question hours, in that only we are doing the question hours also. So WhatsApp nowadays is very useful to a medium to do the studies. Okay, so it is very familiar nowadays. Everybody is using WhatsApp and it is a very smooth application which can do any type of work. You can do grouping also, you can have a video chat, group video chat. So many things you are having in this one application. Okay, so who was the inventor of this and when it was invented? It was invented in 3rd May 2019. It was invented in 3rd May 2019. And who was the inventor? Inventor was Jack Coe and Brain Acton. Who were the inventors? The inventors were John Coe and Brain Acton. These were the 2 persons who invented the WhatsApp for our benefit. Now we are using the WhatsApp. हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं, हम कई तरह से इसको यूज़ करते हैं. तो हमारे लिए इतना ज़्यादा ये यूज़फुल है कि हम हर कोई काम इसमें कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट कम्स द फेसबुक। Facebook, it was invented in Feb 2014 after WhatsApp. WhatsApp was the first social media source. Okay, after WhatsApp, the Facebook was invented in Feb 2014 by very common name Mark Zuckerberg. Very common name Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, so he was the inventor of Facebook. You are familiar to him. He is very famous nowadays because of his very popular app, that is Facebook. By Facebook we can do anything. We can do online chatting, we can upload the pictures, we can see the videos of many films, serials. Everybody has their own have their account in this Facebook, and we can join them and we can share our things to them. So many things we can do in the Facebook. हम बहुत कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हैं Facebook में जो अदर सोशल साइट में हमको दिक्कत आती है, लेकिन Facebook एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसमें हम हर चीज़ कर सकते हैं अपने बेनिफिट के अकॉर्डिंग। ओके, नेक्स्ट, और ये कहाँ हुआ था? कैम्ब्रिज, यूनाइटेड स्टेट। ओके, कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी आपने सुना है, तो कैम्ब्रिज जहाँ से यूनाइटेड स्टेट में कैम्ब्रिज एक प्लेस है, वहाँ ये इन्वेंट हुआ था, डेवलप हुआ। नेक्स्ट कम द शेयर इट। It is now banned because it is a Chinese app, so nowadays it is banned, and its headquarters is in Beijing, and it was invented in April 2015. It was invented in April 2015, and the CEO of this application is Michael Q. CEO. He is the CEO of ShareIt, but now in India ShareIt is banned because it is a Chinese app. But with this application, before we are used to share so many things at a time because it was more faster than Bluetooth. It was more faster than Bluetooth. It takes very few seconds to transfer so many files to the another device. Okay. Next comes to Truecaller. You are very familiar with the Truecaller because by this help of this app, you come to know that which person is calling to you. If the number is only coming, this app is used to identify the person who is calling to you. Okay, if you are not knowing the person, the number is not saved in this, then this application help you to know the person. If it is known to you, you pick the phone. If you are not knowing the person, you don't pick the phone. So you are safe from them. So it save you from unknowing calls. Okay, it was invented in 1st July 2009. 1st July 2009 it was invented, and the inventor was Alan. It is Alan Mamedi. Alan Mamedi and Nami, Nami, Zurghalam, Nami Zurghalam, Zariglam, sorry, Zariglam, Alan Mamedi, Alan Mamedi, and Nami Zariglam. Okay, so these were the two persons who invented Truecaller in 1st July 2009. Okay, so it is for to identify the person who is calling to you, so that you should know that who is calling. So it is very useful app for nowadays, because many fake calls comes and we just pick that call and we come to in trouble. So this app help us to avoid those calls. Okay. Next comes the Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger is a part of Facebook which used to help give the message, online message. Okay, you can share photos, videos, many things like as you do in the WhatsApp. Same thing you can do with the Facebook also, Facebook Messenger also. Next comes the Hotstar. 2 points are left, that is Hotstar and Instagram. So we will continue with this two topic in the next video. Okay, so girls, please go through this video very carefully, understand this video. Okay, if there is any problem, girls, please comment on the comment box. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.